Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix message app not working on iPhone 15 model. If the message app is not working on your iPhone 15 models and you don't know how to fix this issue, so guys don't worry, today in this video I will tell you how to fix message app not working on iPhone 15. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is simply check Apple iMessage status. Before troubleshooting your device, check the status of Apple's iMessage servers. Sometimes service disruptions can affect the functionality of the message app. You can check the status on the Apple system status page. If there is no issue on their end and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone 15 has an stable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Messages requires an active internet connection to send or receive. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is simply toggle your airplane mode on and off. Enable the airplane mode from the control center or by going to the settings. Enable it. Enable the airplane mode. Then wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This can help reset your network connections. If this doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check your date and time settings. You have to go to the settings, then go to general, tap on date and time, and ensure that the date and times are set correctly. Incorrect date and time settings can affect the functionality of various apps including messages. So guys, if this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone 15 by going to the settings, go to general, then go to shutdown. Shut down your iPhone 15, then wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. If restarting your iPhone 15 doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the settings, go to general, tap on software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply check your storage space. So guys, ensure that your iPhone 15 has enough available storage space. Lack of storage can affect the performance of apps including messages. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. This will reset all network related settings including Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings. To do this, you have to simply open the general, go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix message app not working on iPhone 15. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.